if you use the Google Finance function in Google Sheets to pull in stock prices, one thing you'll probably notice is that by default, the dates come in with the timestamp. 1600 hours representing 4 p.m. when the stock market closes. And when you plot this on a chart, the timestamps carry over as well. So it all says a bunch of zeros going across. So not terribly useful for a chart. So let's simplify this and make it look a bit better. I'm going to select the entire column, click on the option to select more formats. I can just select the date and that'll get rid of the time. But what I can also do is select the option for a custom date and time. And one thing you may not realize is that these slashes here, we can get rid of them if we want to. So you can just adjust this. These are not actual separators. And so you can adjust your format to however you want. You can specify how you want the year, how you want the month. Do you want it written out? Do you want the number? Do you want 2 years for the year or the full 4 digits? So there's a lot of customization you can do. You can also select one of these presets here. So for example, I might want the 3 letters for the month followed by the 4 digits for the year. Click on that, apply, and just like that, I've got a much cleaner look for my access here, and my chart's a lot easier to read.